So you live in a tract home, your air conditioning unit is going out. Well, this is the best time to replace your dirty main supply and return vents. Now, these are the vents that are up under your air conditioner unit. A lot of tract homes and out in the Southwest, the air conditioning unit is on the roof. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. Your air conditioning heating unit is going to be on the roof. What you're looking at here is all the old vents. These vents are over 40 years old. They've accumulated a whole lot of dirt and dust. They're unhealthy, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like when the AC men come in and they take out all your old vents. I'm going to show you the old ones. I'm going to show you the new ones. Now, the new vents are much more efficient. They're going to be cleaner, so it really is the right thing to do if you can afford it. I know these air conditioning units are really expensive nowadays, inflation and all. But that's what we're talking about today. And the best time to do this, of course, is when your air conditioning unit goes out and you're putting a new unit in. So what you're looking at here is the old vents. Again, in towns like Las Vegas, where we have mulberry trees, the pollen and the dirt really builds up. Now there's the new air conditioning unit on top of the roof. And here are the new, more efficient vents. Now you would call these the main supply and return vents. They sit underneath the air conditioning unit in the roof, and of course you would be replacing the old vents, and I'll show you those in a moment. Now normally you don't get holes. Normally you don't have a problem with holes poked in the old vents. Maybe back east where you have squirrels or rodents in the roofs, you might have a problem with that back east. Or if you live in the mountains, maybe up in Mount Charleston or somewhere, and you have squirrels or rodents in the roof, then maybe you have to inspect your old vents for holes, and then of course you'd have to replace them. But again, these are the more efficient vents, and over there's a picture of the dirty one. We'll take a closer look up on that later. Here we go. I'll go show you the old one. You can see the new ones, very clean. Again, if money is an issue, then you're not going to be able to do this. But if money is not an issue, there's the old one, which has accumulated up 40 years of mulberry pollen and dust and dirt. So, hey, this is the right thing to do if you can afford it. Good luck.